In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Godaddy website. Whether you're running a small business, a personal blog, or looking to ramp up your online presence for any reason, understanding how to effectively advertise your site can be a game changer. And the good news, you don't need to be an expert marketer to achieve this. Today, we'll walk through a straightforward process to get your Godaddy website in front of more eyes, all within just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Godaddy account to access your website's dashboard. Start by clicking on the Sign In button on the Godaddy homepage. Once the login page appears, you'll need to enter your username and password. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button again. This step might seem simple, but ensuring you're logged into the correct account is crucial for managing and promoting your website effectively. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to your website's backend. You might see a list of products and services you have with Godaddy. What you're looking for is your website. Click the Go to Website link or button, which should take you directly to your website's editor or dashboard. This is where the magic happens, where you can adjust your site's content, look at analytics, and importantly for us today, promote your site. In the dashboard area, there's a wealth of resources and tools designed to help you grow and manage your online presence. To specifically focus on promotion, look for a button or a section titled Grow Your Audience. This area is designed with the website owner in mind, offering tailored advice and tools that can help you increase your website's visibility and attract more visitors. Next, we'll want to create a post to promote your site. Look for an option that says Create a post to promote your site and click on it. This feature is particularly useful because it simplifies content creation for social media or your blog, which is a cornerstone of driving traffic to your site. The tool is intuitive, guiding you through the process of creating engaging content that highlights what's unique and compelling about your website. After you've created your promotional content, it's time to review your work by clicking on Review Task. This step is crucial. Think of it as a quality control checkpoint. It's always a good idea to review what you've created with a critical eye, checking for typos, ensuring that the message is clear, and confirming that any visuals are displayed correctly. This attention to detail can make a big difference in how your promotional material is received. Now, let's refine your message. By clicking on Edit Your Post, you have the opportunity to fine-tune your content. Maybe you've thought of a more engaging way to phrase your call to action, or perhaps that you've decided to add a compelling image. Whatever the case, this is your chance to edit and perfect your post so that it's ready to make a splash. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Look for the preview post and send it to your social media accounts option. This functionality is incredibly helpful as it allows you to see exactly how your post will look once it's live. Make sure everything is to your satisfaction, and then with a click of a button, you can distribute your promotional post across your social media platforms, significantly broadening the reach of your message. There you have it, a concise guide to promoting your Godaddy website. Remember, consistency is key. Regular promotion alongside quality content creation is what cultivates an engaging online presence and draws more visitors to your site. With these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing your website's potential. Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from these tips. Until next time, keep exploring new ways to grow your online presence and make your website thrive.